Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a super simple stuffed date treat.
Cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Okay, so what you're going to need some dates. I just got mine from the local Aldi shop because they're really affordable at Aldi. But any of your local grocery stores should have dates in boxes similar to this. Or, Whole Foods always has them, Trader Joe's has them. I would prefer to get them pitted, but these are not pitted dates, so we'll have to pit those. You'll need a nut butter of your choice. You can use cashew butter, almond butter, peanut butter. It's really whatever your preference is. What's your kryptonite? Mine happens to be peanut butter. It is peanut butter everything. I love, love, love peanut butter. And then you'll need something, you can leave them plain or you can garnish the tops. And what I have here, I just have some toasted sesame seeds that I toasted myself. I just got sesame seeds from the bulk section at Whole Foods. And I just lightly toasted them. You just have to watch them really close in your oven because they burn really quickly. And then I have some roasted hazelnuts, but you could use walnuts or pistachios. Pistachios would be delicious. Or, little dried fruit, anything, anything that you really enjoy as a simple treat. So we're just gonna get going. So we have to pit our dates first. And it's just up to you how many you want to make. I like to make a few ahead of time because I just put them in a Tupperware and I keep them in my refrigerator so they're already ready made. You could even stick them in the freezer if you're concerned about that, but they stay really well. They stay really good in the refrigerator. So I just make a little slice and then I just open it up like this because that's where you're going to stick the peanut butter or the nut butter. Okay, so this one doesn't have a pit. So I'm just gonna set them here and I'm just gonna do a few. Okay, there we've got our pitted dates already opened up. Okay, and these peanut butters and almond butter that I get from Trader Joe's. It's really affordable, but they're very, very creamy. So the other peanut butter I get is usually from one of those grinding machines at Whole Foods, and it's really thick and it's almost a little bit dry. It's a little bit easier to work with because as you get to going, you'll see it's really messy, but boy, is it worth it. I just can't wait for you guys to try these. Okay, so I'm just gonna do mine peanut butter. So you're just gonna get a little glob. It's probably about, I don't know, half a teaspoon worth, but it's just whatever will kind of fill up your dates because, they're all a little bit different sized. Super simple. This is just the perfect snack, for afternoon when you're just kind of wanting a little something, in between lunch and dinner. It really goes great with just a little cup of coffee. Or, if you want just something a little bit sweet after dinner, but you don't want a big dessert to add any calories to your day, or this is great. And it's so satisfying that really you can only eat one or two. I'm really pushing it if I can eat two of these because they're so rich. But you'll see when you're really jonesing for something sweet, you eat one of these guys, that craving will disappear. They are so good. Okay, there we go. We've got those all done up like that. Now we're just gonna dip them. Just like that, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I just think that's so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna do half of them in the sesame seeds. And the other half we're going to do in the hazelnuts. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Aren't they so cute? I just think they're so adorable. But more importantly than the cuteness is the taste. These are my favorite. The roasted sesame or toasted sesame is the best. You guys are gonna love these so much. And it's just shocking how simple it is. It only takes you a few minutes. Make up a bunch and you'll have some for the whole week. You are gonna be so happy. I'll see you next time.